Hey everyone, I'm Emerald and welcome to my channel. So today is going to be a really fun video. So me and my sister at emeraldwildea, go check out her channel. I will link it in the description box. Decided to do a mystery box exchange. So we were like, let's make boxes of like things that we like that are gonna be surprises and like do a video where we're unboxing. So I have no idea what's in this box. She has no idea what's in her box, and then we each mailed it to each other, and I just got mine in the mail yesterday. So I'm super excited to open it and see what's inside. Ooh, I'm really excited. So she's gonna be doing a video on her channel of her unboxing the mystery box that I sent her. So that should be really exciting. I put like really fun stuff in there that is like really like, you wouldn't even think of like, where did she get this? I think it's really cute and really cool. It's a really fun idea, especially if you have, you know, friends that don't live in the same state as you. It's really great to like send each other packages. So this is like a super great idea for like long distance relationships, long distance friendships. So let's get into the box. It's huge. I saw this box on the porch and I was like, oh my gosh, HelloFresh came early? No, she just has a giant box. Thanks, Kim. All right. I'm like, how am I gonna do this? This box is so huge. Have my knife. So excited. Wait, let me on this side. Oh, I'm so excited. I wonder if it's just gonna be like right here the whole time. Okay. So here's a card. Let's read the card. Thinking of you, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, and she wrote a list of like what everything is. I feel like I should open everything first before I read like what it's all about, you know? She said she made a list of like why she put each thing in. So I think I should see what it is first. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh! Okay, so first we get some hair clips. This is so funny because in her box, I sent her a hair clip too. That's kind of like this, so that's so cute. Little Lisa Frank inspired sticker. Love that. Oh my gosh, a bunch of face masks and eye masks. Perfect. Love that. With our little sticker. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Love it. Next. Oh. Or it could just be the bag. Oh yeah, it's the bag. Oh. We got some samples, some cute little stickers, some little mushroom stickers. That's so cute. What is this? I'm like gonna get close. Like, what is this? Oh my gosh. Is it lip balm? And like a little card deck box. That's so cute. Look how cute that is. Oh wait, so it's a little lip gloss. Oh, I love it. And this little card thing. Oh, I love it. And I need some lip balm. Perfect. I love that. Thank you. That is so nice. I love that. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. Okay. Let's see what we have here. It smells good. Something smells good. Oh, it's this. Oh, it's soap. Is this a soap you made? So my sister makes soap. I think this is a soap she's made. Look how cute. It's like a little, oh my gosh. It smells really, really, really good. It smells like shea, vanilla, like super clean. I love that. So cute. I'm gonna put it over here on the table. That's cute. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, a spiced chai drink. I love chai. I love chai latte, so this is super. Oh, this is gonna be so tasty. I'm gonna put this over here too. Oh. Oh yes, I was gonna say something else smells really good in here. It's another candle. Ooh. We got a vanilla and lavender candle. Oh my god, it smells so good. That smells so good. This makes me feel like taking like a fancy bath. And like lighting a bunch of candles. Oh my gosh, I kind of want to do that now. First of all, this bag is cute. Is this part of it too? Yes. These bags are so cute. No, these are perfect for too in the summer. Throwing your bikini in after the beach or like washing your bikini in. I love that. Love these. Oh my gosh. There's so much stuff. Oh, we got some cute butterfly socks, and these are like the perfect length for roller skating. Love that. Oh. What is this? It says not Animal Crossing on it because it's Zelda. This is one of the things she told me she put it. She finished playing Zelda, so she sent it to me because I'm gonna play Zelda next. I feel like my outfit right now, your outfit fit check, is super Zelda inspired. Okay, so cute. Oh, couldn't forget the dogs. Some treats for the dogs. That's so cute. They're gonna love it. I'm putting like everything on that table. Oh, another one, a big hair clip for my hair and some Evian face spray. Probably because Evian's like my favorite water. I don't know why, it tastes so good to me. Oh my gosh. Look how cute! An herb growing kit. Oh my god, I love that. No, it's funny, I put like a little plant growing kit in her thing too. That's so funny. Oh my gosh, I love that. This is so much stuff. What is all of, oh my goodness. Okay, so the books everyone's been talking about. So she just finished reading these books and I was like, okay, you have to send me them because I want to read these books. They're like the sexy fairy books, which I don't know if you can tell is kind of my thing, so I'm pretty excited to read these. I haven't read a book in a long time too, so I'm excited. And last, oh my gosh. She gave me this whole Zelda book. Oh my gosh, with like a map. Oh my gosh, so that I can play the game. Is this so I can like play the game? Oh my gosh, that's so funny. I'll keep this safe because I'm sure you're gonna want this back. I'll keep it safe from my dogs devouring it. Okay, that was exciting. That was the whole box. That was so fun. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm gonna sit. That was so fun to just do a mystery box exchange. Such a great idea. So I hope you guys liked that little fun unboxing. And I hope everyone has a beautiful week. So bye everyone.